and everyone in between. Welcome to Distracted by Diamonds and happy Halloween. I'm your hostess, Robin with a Y, and today brings us to the close of our Drills and Chills community event. Today I'm going to be doing several things. First of all, I'm going to be doing something that I've been wanting to do for like a month now, because I've had this box of goodies sitting on my shelf screaming my name from Jessica, so I can't wait to open this. I'm going to reveal to you my finished and mounted and hung El Gato Gomez diamond painting, and I'm going to be drawing a name for the Drills and Chills custom t-shirt giveaway. But first, I would just like to take this opportunity to thank everybody that participated in Drills and Chills that made it such a fun and interesting adventure. I met a lot of really nice people. I had a lot of fun. I'm sure Jessica had a lot of fun. And I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank Jessica for just being such a wonderful, reliable person and an ultra cool chick. As far as human beings are concerned, Jessica is a good one. This is really cute washi tape with a steampunk design. I love steampunk. Thank you so. Oh my gosh, it's the gnome. I love this little guy, Jessica. Oh my gosh, and it's the Hobbit house. Oh my gosh, I have to open that. I love it. These are cover minders, and this is a little Hobbit house, well, a Hobbit door, which she knows I love. And this little gnome, which I've told her a million times how adorable he is. And I'm sure she made a video about how she made these. She probably made these exact ones. I know she made the Hobbit door in her video. Oh, and what is this? Oh my God. I'm always saying that Jessica is like my sister, like my twin. Like, I know she knows me somehow in a weird way. I had this, I almost ordered this exact image for my custom Drills and Chills diamond painting. This was in my cart, and I actually even had Yogo Top send me a rendering of this. And the reason that I didn't do it is because there's a little poem on the side of the magnet, or on the side of the cat right there. And I was afraid that the text wouldn't come out right. Jessica, how did you know that? I love bags of candy with little custom-made toppers on the top. And I love this wax paper deal. Jessica's a very good stamper. And if this is what I think it is, look at this. This is what I wanted most of all. This card is absolutely adorable. Of course, you know I can never ever send this to anybody, Jessica. I love shaker cards. Awesome. Look at how cute this is. Oh my God. And a pen that matches it? No. Get out of here. How cute is that? At my completed diamond painting journal, that is what this is going to be. So, and all of my notes for probably when I start my diamond painting venture business, if I can get that off of the ground as well. And this is just absolutely perfect, and I'll always cherish it. It means so much to me, Jessica. Thank you so much. And I can't believe you sent me something else too as well. And yes, I am going to do it as a mystery diamond painting, and I'll be doing some, you know, whip and chats while I slowly reveal it. And man, you know, I love your taste. I cannot wait. I think next what we'll do is we'll go and check out my completed El Gato Gomez diamond painting. Come on, here it is. Right alongside my pebble art, mid-century modern birds, and my Harry Potter late 1950s Phoenix figurine. Let me get in a little bit closer so you can see. It just came out so well. I'm so pleased. And aside from a few popping drills, which were primarily up there in the moon, I couldn't be happier. If you're curious as to how I did this, then you can check out my next video coming up, where I pretty much agonizingly walk you step by step through that process. And as you can see, the drills in this painting weren't very sparkly to begin with, but believe me when I tell you, I did not lose any sparkle or any of the finish in any of the drills, the way that I sealed this. I just thought I'd slide this in here real quick. Here it is at night. And I'm really also happy that they kept her signature there. Please leave me a comment, you guys. Let me know what you think of my finished El Gato Gomez and give her some love too. Crystal, thank you so much for letting me do this. I feel very special. All right, everyone, the moment that you've probably all been waiting for. I'm going to select the recipient of the Drills and Chills custom t-shirt. We had 25 people participate. I loved looking at all your costumes. You guys really humored me. Thank you all for that. As you can see, I have the number 25 in here. I'm so excited. 17! Yay! Who is 17? Let's look. Oh my God! Rachel Ray! Yay, Rachel Ray! You won the custom Drills and Chills t-shirt. So Rachel, I'll be getting a hold of you over on Instagram. We'll be picking out the color and the size and all of that. So much fun. And that kind of wraps everything up for today, kids. I can't thank all of you enough. Thank you, Jessica, so much for the gifts, but not just that, for just being such a nice human being. And thanks to everyone else. I had a blast. Remember, kids, that truth without tact is cruelty. Come on back. See me again. I have other things in store. Take it easy. Bye.